morning. Today is Friday, June 29, 2012. Here I give a wrap-up of the commodities complex as it closed last night and as of early trades this morning. All eyes are on the EU summit currently undergoing at Brussels, which began yesterday. Outcome is expected to be known later in the evening, and all eyes are focused on the outcome of this summit. Everyone is watching the moves to be made by the German Chancellor and whether they will approve Euro bonds as is being proposed by the other EU nations. Euro bonds basically means a loan that will be taken up, and all the Eurozone nations will agree to pay up that loan over a period of time. The German Chancellor as of now is against any such move, and the outcome of the EU summit or the success of it depends on what they have to say in the final understanding. Markets are still skeptical, and because of this yesterday the US dollar went up, euro sank, and pushing down bullions and crude oil. Now we come to the individual commodities companies. Gold is now trading at $1556. It hit a low of $1548 last night and early this morning, now sustaining above the $1550 mark. It still remains weak and looks a sell on rises. Resistance is seen at $1565 to $68, and support is at $1540. A break below could test up to $1525, which is the previous low. Any break and sustained close below 1520 could have huge ramifications and major slides could be expected. But of course it remains on the outcome of the EU summit this evening. On the MCX exchange, gold closed at 29,660, hit a low of around the 29,630 mark, trading well below the supports of 800 to 850 over the past 10 days. Resistance is now seen at 29,850 to 900, and supports, if it breaks below 29,630, could test up to 580 and 530 today. Silver is now trading at $26.47, hit a low of 26.10 in late trades last week. Resistance is now seen at 26.8 to 27.2. Support is at 26 to 26.10. Any break and close below 26 to 26.10 could see major downslide in silver. On the MCX, it broke all supports yesterday and closed around the 51,800 mark. Support is at 51,500 and 51,300, and resistance at 52,500. Both bullions look as sell on rises as of now. Crude is now trading at $58.50. Came down sharply yesterday and tested a low of around the 44.50 mark, closed at 44.64. Resistances are now seen at 44.90 and 45.20, and support at 44.40 and 44.20 levels. In the dollar terms, any sustained weekend close below $80 will see further declines, probably up to $76 to $75 zone, where supply could come up based on some news that may come out of Iran over the weekend, which may support crude prices at these current support levels. Natural gas crashed yesterday after the inventory, currently trading 1% higher. Copper, as we've seen over the last 10 days, is trading in a big trading range. It closed at 480, hit a high of 422. Support is still seen at 416 and resistance at 422. Being the contract expiry day, watch out for trades with caution and shift over to the second month if applicable. Expect the trading zone again to continue at 460 to 422. Nickel yesterday broke a support of 924 and 920 and came to a low of 918 before it inched up again to 923, 924 by close. Expected to trade in the range of 910 to 935 for now. Wait for entries or look out for positions in the far away. Zinc was the only commodity among base metal which traded positive yesterday and closed above 102. It could test the next resistance of 103 and 103.5, and support is at 100.80. Lead traded flat, aluminum has also traded flat. Buy on dips would be recommended in the second month contract as of now. For further trades and updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.shareship.com. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.